Hello guys, welcome back to a Pegasus Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called a radar. So what is this a radar? Radar is like a recognition and DNS analysis for resource detection for a bug bounty programs. So in a advanced DNS reconnaissance tool, it's designed to identify technologies and services used by domain through their a DNS footprinting. So a radar is an advanced DNS reconnaissance tool designed to identify technologies and services used by domain through their DNS footprint and developed by this one by Elite Security Systems. A radar can detect hundreds of technologies, including cloud services, email providers, content network directories, and security services, and much more. So, what are the main features we can get here? So, the main features we can get here as a compressive DNS scanning queries, all relevant for a DNS records like A records, WAA records, CNAME, MX records, TX records, NS records, SOA, SRV, CCA, and etc. things. Like if you take any type of targeted website in a bug bounty program, like in that bug bounty program, you want to connect and interact with uh, by any with these name servers. So you can also interact and you can try to create your own credentials with other targeted domain name of your bug bounty program. That also a possible. A technologies detections like identify technologies using like pattern matching against an extensive signature database and performance optimized. Use a parallel queries and multiple resolvers for efficient scanning and extensible. Easy to add a new technology signatures via JSON signature database. So even you can add your own signatures to the a targeted domain and inject a server side template injection also. So it will also provide a detailed reporting, a procedure, structured a JSON output for easy integration with other tools and robust resolving. Leverages a both system DNS resolver and public DNS service for maximum coverage. Auto updates automatically downloads the latest signature from GitHub and back scanning. It's like a process a multiple domains from a list with a single command also. Now we would like to look how this will be worked out. Like me, I can open a terminal. Now let's we would like to go to here. So this is a radar. So we try to we try to clone this one. Now let me I just copy this one. Let's come back here. Let me just make it as a little bit big. Just type it as a git clone and just paste the repository. So once it was cloned, I just go to here as a radar. Now I just type it as plus minus air. Now you can also utilize with the Go, otherwise uh, build a push.sh. So it's also available with a bash and a Docker also. So uh, try your wish. So however you like, you just try here. Like let me. I would like to go here. I would like to go with as a Go. So because I already installed the Go version, like you can see here, Go version here, it not yet mentioned. So let me just go to here as CD as a CMD. Uh, CMD, let me just type it as clear plus minus F CDA radar. That's it. Now, we just try to type here as go build output as a radar. Then we just utilize uh, let me first of all let me I just copy this one, copy better let me I would like to look here as ls minus f. Here have a main.co, so let me I just put here as cd. Let me I would like to create in only in the main directory. Let me just put here Let me, I just put here as a CMD, a radar. That's it. Now, we would like to look here, how much time it will take to install this one. So it was done now. Now just write it as list minus here. Now I have here a radar. Now let's we would like to look here as, let me, I just write it as clear. Just start with this. Let me just type it as clear. Now we would like to utilize here as a radar minus minus help minus h. No. Now we just put here as a radar minus domain. Now I just put here as a google.com. Let's, why it not found here? So I have here a radar. Now I just put here as radar uh, domain. I just put here as google.com. Now we can see here what's the results we can get here. So you can see here every record of a domain with a Google detection technologies with a Google site verification. A domain verification verifies a domain ownership of a Google services. Website with HTTPS support with the answer. You can visit to the targeted domain also, where they have verify a site ownership. Like this can maybe provide with Google AdSense, I think so. We can look here. This is with Microsoft, where you can provide here a description. So IPv6, Google Workspace. So Apple domain verification, every useful information. So you don't need to try a small website. You just try with a little bit a small website so for your bug bounty. You can try here as like Airbnb. We can try. You can look here. It's also, you got a lot of information here. A TXT records, they was posted in the WebEx and everything. All information we have got here. Cisco CI, Palo Alto Networks, all informations, all TXT records, name server records. They was hosted in Amazon Root S3, AWS Amazon Root 53. So where you can see here, everything is clear here. That's it. So even you can try your own targeted website. I can tell you, let me just type it as clear. Now, I would like to try to utilize, uh, I just go back here. Now, I just utilize ax.com. We would like to look here. You can look here as, so this X is like about signature verifications with a Stripe. They use a X platform as Stripe, and this is an hash identity, like where they're going to put for a redirection to the payment page. Okay, Stripe payment processing platform, then Google site verifications and everything. Salesforce, SPF, records for email security. This is a targeted IP address 192.199.16.156.0. So it also present without a cloud verification. So Oracle email delivery. So they utilizing a Oracle email delivery. Like you try to register to a X platform, then they try to automatically reply for that X. So you can look here OREP with X.com, including with the PH1 with the RP, uh, Oracle email delivery.com, including with I81, RP Oracle email delivery.com for all records with the TXT. So even you can utilize this one, and you can try to create or overcome with the bug bounty, like subdomain takeover, otherwise email takeover, everything we can do with this tool. So this is how useful for a radar tool. So you try to run, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.